Hello everyone, and in this video I show you the process of applying for a Bank of America credit card. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to commence, launch your preferred web browser and go on bankofamerica.com. Scroll down and navigate to the credit card section where you will find a variety of options. Choose the one that aligns with your preferences and click on Apply Now. If you are already a Bank of America online customer, simply click on Login to expedite the process. Otherwise, you'll need to complete the application form. Input your first name, last name, suffix, residential address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. Indicate your US citizenship status, potential dual citizenship, country of residence, and date of birth. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the corresponding box and click Save and Continue. Once you have completed these steps, you'll be well on your way to submitting your credit card application. And there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.